This section examines types of bulbs. A lamp bulb consists of a fine coil of tungsten wire called a filament, enclosed in a clear glass envelope from which all air has been removed. Passing a current through the filament raises its temperature to a white heat and causes it to give off an incandescent light. Removing air from the glass envelope prevents oxidation of the filament when it is in operation and increases the filament life. In high wattage bulbs, particles of tungsten can boil off the filament, even though the air is removed, and eventually cause filament failure. To prevent this, the glass envelope is filled with an inert gas, such as argon, which does not react with the tungsten, and this slows the boiling off of the filament. To further increase filament operating temperature and increase light output, some bulbs have a hard glass or quartz envelope, which is filled to a mild pressure with iodine or halogen gas. Any tungsten that is boiled off by the high temperature is kept in suspension by the gas and is deposited back on the filament to extend filament life. Commonly used in headlights, they are referred to as quartz halogen, quartz iodine, or tungsten iodine lamps. The lamp circuit wiring is connected to the bulb by means of spring contact plungers or by blades which touch the bulb contacts, or by electrical terminals held in place by friction. The filament of this single contact bayonet type bulb has each end connected to a stem. One stem is connected to the lead contact at the base and the other is connected to the bayonet cap. When connected to an electrical circuit, current flows through the filament via the lead contact and the cap, causing heat and light. The bayonet pins on the cap are used to lock the bulb in position against the spring-loaded terminal in the socket. Some bayonet-type bulbs have two separate filaments in the one envelope. Each filament has a different light output and is operated by separate circuits, usually in a stoplight-taillight combination. Two lead contacts at the base provide the input connections to each filament, and the other ends of the filaments are connected to the cap to allow the circuit through the filament to be completed. The bayonet pins are offset. This ensures that the correct filament is inserted in each circuit. Instrument bulbs usually press into place and are called wedge or capless bulbs. The stems of the filaments extend out of and a small distance up the glass envelope. In festoon-type bulbs, the filament is connected to a metal cap at each end of the bulb. Two metal strips hold the bulb in place in the lamp holder and conduct the current through the filament.